Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord, allowing access for microphone and camera in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Camera. Turn on, allow apps to access your camera. Click Microphone. Turn on, allow apps to access your microphone. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.